Hi, welcome to Car360. This is a 2023 Kia EV6 GT-Line S, registration CF23ROH, with just 51,900 miles and ready to drive away. It's had one owner and comes with a clear history. Powered by a 77 kilowatt-hour battery, it offers up to 313 miles of range and goes from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 7.3 seconds. Enjoy the Meridian premium sound system with 14 speakers and active sound design, a tilting and sliding panoramic sunroof, the smart entry system for keyless entry and start, and navigation smart cruise control with a speed limiter. If you're interested in this car, reserve it online or contact one of our EV specialists today. Thank you.